Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, I want to talk to you about dried materials. It's so on trend. I know, we do fresh, not dried, but right now, dried materials are hot, and they often need a hot glue gun. So a few tips to make that easier. Yes, 2 tips for your Tulip Tuesday. One, when you're gluing, put it on the item, and then rather than just pulling back, creating strings, wind it back. That way you melt off any potential strings. So again, glue on the item, twist, then go ahead and glue it down. You can do whatever materials you want, maybe add a couple pine cones to add unity from the outer edges into the center. But then, even on the best of practices, you'll end up with glue strings, little tiny miniature bits of glue. To remove those, grab your hair dryer. Yes, just a standard blow dryer, and blow. At a very low speed, and it melts the glue away. It dissipates to nothing. Now you know the pro tips for working with hot glue.